Example number 4 is giving you what the combination of those two functions are, what the composition of the functions are, and you need to find out what the original functions were. So one thing I find with composition of functions is we try to find one function inside of another function. So in this notation, we see that g of x is inside f of x. And when I'm looking at A, can you see something inside of something else? Can you see an x minus 2 inside something getting cubed? So if you can see that x minus 2 inside something getting cubed, then your inside function will be x minus 2, and your outside function will cube it. And you can do a check, is f of g of x equal to that? So g of x is x minus 2, and if I put x minus 2 into f of x, sure enough, I get x minus 2 cubed. So for the second one, can you see one function inside of another function? 3 plus x is inside. And what's it inside? A square root. If you made the inside function, here we'll do a again, if I made the inside function exactly the same as what I wanted to get, what would the outside function have to be? It just have to be x, which means don't change anything. But for the purposes of calculus, there is a lot of composition of functions in calculus, and it is a good skill to be able to see one function inside of another function. So I like the answers that we've done for A and B. Of course, if you wanted to for B, you could have made the inside function do everything you wanted to begin with, and then your f of x would just be, keep it the same. Whatever you plug in stays the same. So that would be right as well. But you have some creativity, you just have to find possible functions for this. 3, 7, and 9 for practice.